Welcome back, everybody. Today we are doing another great video by Chill Just Cook. We are doing an expert grill extra large charcoal pizza oven unboxing and build. Stay tuned. Gonna unbox it and build it up. Oh yeah. Gonna unbox it, build it up. Once it's all built up, we'll start cooking up on it. It's a charcoal pizza oven. Oh yeah, about to unbox and build up the extra large charcoal pizza oven by Expert Grill. Let's go. Chill Just Cook. About to unbox it right now. Oh yeah. Grab a little knife. Click. Oh yeah. Unboxing everything, making sure nothing's too damaged or anything. Oh yeah. Pulling out the oven. Few screws right here. Unboxing everything, just getting it organized, taking off the plastic, then I'll build it all up. Let's go. Pizza oven. Got the charcoal basket. Be some good charcoal pizza. Oh yeah. This is the ash pan. Put it under there so when the ash burns it falls onto here. Nice ash pan. Stainless steel. Be nice. This right here is the stack to let the smoke exhaust. Right here. Oh yeah. Looks like a handle. Yep. Got everything unboxed. You're gonna get it organized and build it right up. Thanks for watching, everyone. Got the charcoal box, the front latch. This is what it's looking like. There's the oven. Got the stone in there. Gonna take off the plastic, put it all together. Chill, just cook. Extra large charcoal pizza oven by Expert Grill. Oh yeah. Expert Grill pizza oven. Yee. Oh yeah, got everything unboxed, organized. These are the two back legs, the smokestack. This is the ash catcher. This will be the front drawer. Slide out like this. This is the charcoal box in the back. You'll put the handle right here. Oh yeah. Got the pizza stone right here. I just took off the plastic, put it back in. The front hatch will go right here. Oh yeah, let's do this. About to assemble the grill, the charcoal grill. Let's go. First we'll do the handle. The front hatch comes with 2 screws already screwed in. Just unscrew them. Got it hand tightened. You're gonna tighten down with the Phillips screwdriver. Front grill. Oh yeah. This is what you'll take off when you're putting in the pizza. Oh yeah. Put the smokestack on. Do the same thing to this. Comes with 2 screws in the middle. You just take them off. Oh yeah. You got your handle, and then you got a little heat shield right here. You put this on first, protect you a little bit. So I got the heat shield, the handle, 2 screws. Finger tighten them. Get your Phillips. Crank them down. Got this. The charcoal cage right here. Oh yeah. This will go in the back. Put the ash catcher in. Oh yeah. Ash catcher. This will go in. Boom, just like that. I'll put on the 4 legs and show you exactly how it looks. Thanks everyone for watching. Oh yeah, about to put the legs on the Expert Grill pizza oven. 4 legs, the screws come pre-screwed into the base of it. Just unscrew them and put the legs on. The small legs go in the back and the longer legs go in the front. Got the longer leg facing out that way. tighten on the legs. Long one right here, shorter one right here. Put all 4 on, be good to go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, about to put on all the legs, be good to go. Gonna make sure all the bolts are tightened up, flip it around. Good to go. Let's flip it up. Oh yeah. Oven's all built. Gonna put everything back in it. Be good to go. To put the legs on, I suggest taking everything out, having it as light as possible so you can turn it upside down. Oh yeah. Got the charcoal box that will go in the back. Let me get the ashtray real quick. Got the ashtray. Go right here. Charcoal box right here. Put the smokestack on. Real easy. Bam. Got a nice 15-inch pizza stone. Put that right in. Looking good, looking good. Last but not least, got the front hatch. We'll put that on. Bam. Expert Grill pizza oven. Got the Expert Grill pizza oven all built up. Went together really easy. Oh yeah. Nice pizza stone in there. Add some charcoal to the back. Have a nice charcoal grilled pizza. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Chill, just cook. Ash catcher right here. Oh yeah. We'll have some good pizzas coming out of here. Pre-made doughs, fresh doughs, yeast doughs. Do all types of stuff. Calzones, barbecue chicken pizzas, pepperoni pizzas, cheese pizzas, anything you want. Oh yeah, chill, just cook. Expert grill charcoal pizza oven. Yeah.